Welcome to our salon. Today we're going to give you the full body wax transformation that you have been looking for, smooth and safe. Now, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel where all we do is bring you guys the best beauty and fashion tips. And today, we're doing something different. We are bringing you a full body wax transformation right here on our channel. Now, this has been requested by so many of you guys. You've been asking for it, and we are bringing it to you. So thank you for your comments, your likes, and your shares. All of these things help us to grow and allow us to continue bringing you guys great content. And if you are new here, welcome. We would love to have you. Please don't forget to subscribe. All right, you guys, let's get straight into this full body wax transformation. I have got my reusable eco-friendly face wax strips right here. They're perfect for sensitive skin, and they can be used over and over again. It is the most convenient way to wax your whole body, and it is also the safest. Now, the first step is transformation. This is me before the wax transformation. But this is also the moment in which you should prepare your skin for the wax. This means you want to exfoliate the area that you will be waxing. Exfoliating gets rid of dead skin cells, and this allows the wax to get as close to the skin as possible. The closer the wax gets to the skin, the better the results will be. So this is why it is important to exfoliate. The next step is smooth. This is where you actually do the waxing. Now, because we are doing this on camera, I'm just going to focus on one leg. However, with the face wax strips, you can wax your entire body. I am going to show you how I apply the wax strip to remove hair from the top of my leg. Once the wax is applied, I like to press down firmly and then pull quickly upwards with the grain of the hair growth. If you are doing this at home, make sure to follow the instructions provided. Each pack comes with detailed instructions on how to use them. As I said, you can wax your entire body. You can wax your eyebrows, your upper lip, your arms, your underarms. You can really use these anywhere. I have used them on my bikini line, but I'm not going to show that on camera. So this is the moment when you will see the transformation begin. And after removing the wax strip, this is the result. It looks so clean and so smooth. You guys can see the difference already. Look how amazing this looks. And the process is not over yet. We still need to do the other leg. So let's go ahead and transform the other side as well. Now I'm going to apply the wax strip. Make sure to leave some room between each strip so that you can apply more wax on top and you can get the best results. Remember to exfoliate first. Apply the wax strip firmly and then pull upwards with the grain of the hair growth. And after this step, this is the result. Look at how smooth both of my legs look. I am in love. Now the next step is safe. After you finish the waxing process, it is very important to soothe the skin and calm any redness that might have appeared after the waxing. I like to use a soothing lotion or oil to massage the area. There are many products out there that you can use, but my favorite is baby oil. It works perfectly for me every single time. So I'm going to take the baby oil and I'm going to massage it into my legs. This helps to calm the redness and any irritation from the waxing, and it also makes the skin super soft and smooth. So let me just go ahead and do this. This is something that you want to do immediately after the waxing process. The fourth step is confidence. This is where you feel like $1,000,000. This is the moment when you realize how amazing you look and how amazing you feel. The waxing process removes unwanted hair and dead skin cells, leaving you with smooth, silky, beautiful skin. It's like being at the spa, but in the comfort of your own home. And because I am wearing this cute little black dress, I feel so confident and so beautiful. This is the moment when you realize how good you look and you feel even better. The fifth step is glow. Now this is where you take your glow to another level, and I like to use a body lotion or oil to add extra moisture and shine to the skin. This gives you a healthy glow that will last all day long. So I have my oil right here. I'm going to apply it on top of my legs. This is an oil that I created myself. It is made of all natural ingredients, and it smells amazing. And now I'm going to apply it to my legs, and I'm going to give myself a nice massage. And this is the glow that I'm talking about. This is the extra moisture and shine that you want to add to your skin after the waxing process. You can use whatever oil or lotion that you like. For me, I prefer the oil. I think it gives more of a glowy effect to the skin and it makes it look amazing. The sixth step is refresh. This is the moment when you want to take a few moments to relax and enjoy your smooth, silky skin. Take a nice warm bath or shower and use your favorite soap or body wash. This will help to further clean and refresh your skin. Now, I absolutely love a nice warm bath. This is something that I do every single night before I go to bed. I love taking a nice warm bath and relaxing, so I'm going to go ahead and get into my nice warm bubble bath. I'm going to use my favorite body wash and wash my entire body. This is the moment when you want to pamper yourself and give yourself some much-needed TLC. You have just given yourself a full body wax, and you deserve it. So go ahead, take that nice warm bath, use your favorite body wash, wash your hair, relax, calm down, and enjoy the process. The seventh step is reveal. Time to show off your smooth, silky legs. Wear your favorite outfit and get ready to turn heads. Now, because I feel so confident and so beautiful in my own skin, I'm gonna go ahead and wear this white two-piece set. This is one of my favorite outfits and I feel so good in it. And I know that because I did the full body wax, I look even better. I feel even better. My legs look amazing. They are super smooth, super silky. And you know what? I'm feeling good. The eighth step is comfort. This is where you feel like you can conquer the world. You are smooth, you are silky, you are confident. There is nothing that can stop you now. Put on your favorite perfume and get ready to take on the day. Now, I absolutely love this body wax transformation. It is the perfect way to get rid of unwanted hair and dead skin cells, leaving you with smooth, silky, beautiful skin. And because I feel so confident and so beautiful in my own skin, I'm going to put on my favorite perfume. I'm going to take on the day. The ninth step is renewal. This is the moment when you feel like you are a new person. You are smooth, you are silky, you are confident, you are beautiful. And this is the perfect time to start fresh. Set new goals, make new friends, try new things. Now, I love this body wax transformation because it gives me the chance to start fresh. It gives me the chance to be a new person, to try new things, to make new friends, and to conquer the world. The 10th step is empowerment. This is the moment when you feel like you can do anything. You are smooth, you are silky, you are confident, you are beautiful, and you are empowered. Now, I love this body wax transformation because it empowers me to be the best version of myself. It empowers me to be confident, to be beautiful, and to conquer the world. So there you have it, you guys, the full body wax transformation that you have been looking for. Smooth and safe. Give it a try, and let us know how you feel. We would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it and that you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and we will see you in the next one.